Have you ever wondered why some materials conduct electricity better than others? And what exactly determines how much current flows through a circuit? The answer lies in a fundamental law of physics called Ohm's law. Ohm's law is named after Georg Simon Ohm, a German physicist who discovered the relationship between electric current, voltage, and resistance in the early 19th century. So, what is Ohm's law? Simply put, it states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points, and inversely proportional to the resistance between them. Ohm's law can be expressed mathematically as I equals V divided by R, I equals V/R, where I is the current in amperes, V is the voltage in volts, and R is the resistance in ohms. Let's look at an example to see how Ohm's law works in a circuit. Suppose we have a simple circuit with a light bulb and a switch, connected to a 9-volt battery. The resistance of the bulb is 3 ohms. If we measure the current in the circuit using an ammeter, we can use Ohm's law to calculate it. We know that the voltage of the battery is 9 volts, and the resistance of the bulb is 3 ohms. So, I equals 9 divided by 3, which equals 3 amperes. Ohm's law also tells us that if we increase the voltage across a circuit, the current will increase proportionally. And if we increase the resistance, the current will decrease proportionally. Furthermore, Ohm's law explains why some materials conduct electricity better than others. Resistance is determined by the material's properties, such as its cross-sectional area, length, and temperature. Materials with a higher cross-sectional area, shorter length, and lower temperature will have lower resistance, and vice versa. In conclusion, Ohm's law is a fundamental law of physics that helps us understand the behavior of electric circuits. By understanding the relationship between current, voltage, and resistance, we can design and analyze circuits to make them more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching. Be curious. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.